Welcome to the basics of photography. In this first episode, we are going to explore what photography really is. Take a quick look at its fascinating history and understand why photography plays such an important role in our lives today. Let's begin with what photography is and take a brief look at its history. Photography is the art and science of capturing light to create an image. The word photography comes from the Greek words photo meaning light and graphy meaning drawing. So it literally means drawing with light. The journey of photography began in the early 19th century. In 1826, Joseph Nicephore Niepce created the world's first permanent photograph using a process called heliography. Later, in 1839, Louis Daguerre introduced the daguerreotype process, which made photography more practical and widely known. From black and white film to color photography, and from film cameras to today's digital and smartphone cameras, photography has continuously evolved. What started as a scientific experiment has now become a powerful form of art, communication, and storytelling used by millions around the world. Now let's talk about why photography matters. Photography plays an important role in our lives for many reasons. First, photography helps us capture memories. It freezes special moments so we can remember people, places, and important events forever. As time passes, these photographs become even more meaningful. Second, photography allows us to tell stories. A single photo can express emotions, culture, or a powerful message without using any words. Images have the ability to communicate instantly and deeply. Third, photography helps us share information. News, science, history, and nature are often better understood through powerful images. Photographs make learning clearer and more engaging. Fourth, photography is a way to express creativity. It is a form of art that allows people to show the world from their unique perspective. Through light, composition, and timing, photographers create something truly personal. Finally, photography helps us connect people. Photos can inspire, educate, and bring people together across cultures and generations. That is why photography is not just about taking pictures, it is about preserving moments, sharing stories, spreading knowledge, expressing creativity, and building connections. In the next episode, we'll dive deeper into understanding your camera and how it really works.